Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get voice chat in Roblox Mobile, the updated version for 2026. So the first thing, make sure in your settings that you are allowing microphone in Roblox. Then after that, open your Roblox, then click here on the three dots more on the bottom right corner. Then scroll down until you find settings, click on it. Then from here, click on account info. And from there, make sure that to verify your email or your phone number. And to know it is already verified, you need to have this icon with tick and verified. Then after that, make sure to put your age and your birthday. And you need to be like over 13 years old. So after that, you need to verify your age by taking a selfie or uploading an ID or a driving license. And after that, you will get a verified badge again for age. And if you get both on email and age, now you should use your voice chat in Roblox. But make sure also that your region support voice chat in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.